need to prepare 2 cards. Okay, in this case I use a 2 blackjack, but you can use any card. Okay, and before we go into the routine, first you must learn how to produce these 2 cards. Okay, because the point of this routine is you just like randomly produce these 2 cards, and then these 2 cards find your spectator's card. Okay, and this is how to do it. You put one jack, okay, 1 card on top and one on the bottom. Okay, and this is the setup. And you just do a simple move, is a pull down, pull up, and flip back. Okay, this is pull down. You just pull the top card, okay, with your finger. You can use middle finger or ring finger. Just pull down. Okay, here just pull down. And pull up, you just from the bottom, you just use your point finger and push or pull up like this. Okay, so this is pull down and this is pull up. And then flip back is simple. You just reverse this card, okay, with your thumb and your point finger like this. Okay, so the move is you just pull down, then you pull up and flip back. Okay, one more time, pull down, okay, pull up and flip back. And for the bottom card, you start with pull up. Okay, pull up, flip back and pull down. Okay, so one more time. Okay, remember, just practice with pull down, pull up, flip back. Okay, remember, pull up from the bottom, pull up, flip back and pull down. Okay, at the normal speed it's look like this. Okay, pull down, pull up, flip back, pull up, flip back and pull down. Okay, so here, okay, and that's how to produce these 2 cards. Now we go into the routine. Okay, remember these 2 cards, one on top, one on the bottom. Okay, and you have a card selected. Okay, I use to revolve like this. Again, you can ask your spectator to say stop whatever they want, simple like this. And whatever they stop, you just do a double leap. Okay, take this and put pass up. Okay, this is double. Okay, so this is the selection. Okay, 9 of diamonds. Okay, and then it's simple. You just take top card and put it in the middle. It looks like you just lost the selection on the deck. Okay, but in fact the selection on top. And then after you, okay, lost in the deck, you can shuffle and simply just slide the top card and the bottom card together like this and drop everything and you're ready to go. Okay, right now the position is 1. Okay, these 2 cards ready on the position, and this is their selection. Okay, and first you do the top production. I can remember. Okay, pull down, pull up and flip back. Okay, first, and then you produce the bottom card, but first just do a pull up like this. Okay, so okay, reduce the top card. Okay, and then for the bottom card, you just first do pull up and you can display like this. Okay, and after that flip back, pull down, and when you pull down, okay, you just place your point finger like this. Okay, and this is the position. Okay, and from this position, remember this is their selection right here, and all you do, you just throw the deck on your other hand. Okay, and I can do it slow, but when you throw this deck, this is what happened. The deck will flow away. Okay, it flow all the way, just leave the bottom card, and the bottom card will be in this 2 card. One more time. Okay, first, second, you can display at the moment, continue. Okay, and just throw. Remember, just press on the bottom card their selection and just throw. And this is the final. Okay, there's one card in the middle of two jacks, and then you can reveal that is their card. Okay, at the end you can hand out this, and of course this two jacks or your two card can be examinable and you are unclean.